What? I hope my stream is on, I guess. Okay. Okay, we are live. I guess. Let me check. Yes, we are live and we are going with the day 11. Hmm. Okay, so we are starting today STD basic करेंगे and let's see इसमें क्या क्या है, how it gonna go. Let me open. Okay, the client and the server. Client will do the request and the server will respond to the client. Okay. So we will use this package, which is build, I guess. So let's start, I guess, building things up. Let's make a file. Let's add package. And what we have, first of all, the handler is there, and okay. Okay, so it's saying stable package we have to use. Okay, I see. So first of all, we have to make a handler function, and this might be route. This is route, I guess, and this is the function part. Strp dot handle func. What is this? Okay. Then we have to say some handle. I guess. Okay. Then we have to define it. Response writer and response. Okay, response writer and the request part. Okay. Response writer. So this is what I guess we respond to the client, what they requested, and here is the request which is made by the client. And what we can use, fprintf. Okay. We have writer and a message part. I see. Server is running on port 80. Then what I have to use? HTTP listen and serve, which will have the port, I guess. Yep, the same which we have written here. And here is the nil, which means the default. Yes. Handler here is the function run. Here is the route. Okay, समझ रहा हूँ. ये हम भेजते हैं as a response. Used to send response. Okay. It has contained the method, the headers, the data. Okay, so ये चीज़ क्लाइंट के द्वारा आती है, ये हम क्लाइंट को भेजते हैं. Okay. Okay, so far so good. Let's run this. Go run day 11. Actually, okay, it's now run. Yo, hello bro. What is your name? Let me see. Abraham Grace F. Welcome to the stream, brother. Okay, let's go to 8080, and we have built our server, which is very basic right now. Okay, good. So this thing, so this is, we are responding to what we have requested. What languages do UK? Brother, I use Golang for the backend, and frontend I don't really use. I used to do Next.js, I still use it, but yeah, I'm currently like grinding the backend part properly, from the basics, to get to know each and everything, so if I'm in the production, I don't have any confusion further. Yeah, that's what this series for, like, I'm learning from the scratch properly. Yeah. Okay, so HTTP request, methods, header, data, multiple routes. Okay. Okay, so I guess this function is particularly fprintln. It's print formats using default format or operands and write to w. I see. It's good. Let's see. We have multiple routes, obviously. So like I can make something like my profile, and I have to make a function here. My profile handler function, my profile handler, http response writer. Okay, I still have to see like why there is pointer in the request part. I will see that. Maybe it's oh, I got it. What if like same route get like requested multiple times? So I think so there's some optimization. I don't know, maybe. Mhm. Let's see that. Okay, so I have to do same w because we are responding. Welcome to my profile. Okay, good. You know the front end. Wow. Yeah, brother. I mean, it's already 2026. Like, I I know like front end has lots of things to do. To be honest, like it's not easy. It looks easy, but you have to like handle lots of things. But I did like good amount of like front end. Not really deeper, but yeah, good. I like backend to be honest more and working on the backend part more. Okay. Mm, I have to restart it. There must be a package which like nodemon which we have in node.js. I have to see that. Profile. Okay. It is good. Okay. What we have now. Okay, so you can print. Okay, get post. Okay, so like what he's saying, you can utilize, you can get the methods from here. I see why, because further we have to method r dot method directly. Okay. Oh, method never in the body, so makes sense. Makes sense. Oh, what he's saying. Uh, I like the backend part. I know the Spring framework in Java. Oh wow, it's a very good framework, and yeah, and used most like in the industry, Spring Boot and Java as a backend. I have little bit used it. I like that annotation part of the Java, where you do these kind of thing at the rate get and something like that. You do mostly these kind of thing in the Spring Boot, I guess, which is good. I've used it a little bit. Yeah, okay. Uh, that's right. This should print it in the console part, so in the terminal itself. So let's see. So if I hit my profile, so I can see it's a get, obviously. I don't really use Discord, man. You can wait a second. Let me see that if I have. Uh, Let me see. I don't have channels or something like that, so yeah, you can personally DM me. Let me see if I have. Okay, I have actually. How to copy? Username, okay. Let me paste here. Oh, you only there is only username only or something else? Username is simple, I guess. Wait, let's see. Let me see. Mm, only username. Okay, okay, okay. Wait a second. Ooh, what? What is this? Oh, got it. You can see now. It's my old name, which I used to have back then. So let me see that actually. Wait a second. Okay, let's see. Um, okay, it's simple. Like we have handlers. Actually, we can write it here also, but it is a good way to like make a different function and work on that. So your main will be not messed up. Mm-hmm. I see. I think we are good to go with the challenges. Let me see that. Mm-hmm. Can you tell me your username, brother? Let me see. What is that? Let's see. I guess you got it. Actually, let's start the challenges, I guess. Uh, it's good. Let's do challenge one in .co. Um, okay, let's start the challenge. We have to make a basic server. Okay, let's do it. Uh, okay, we have to just create a server and print something. We can do it, obviously. Welcome to my backend channel. Okay, okay, we good to go. So first of all, let's start with the handle form, and let's make a default route, and let's say, oh, we have to make a handler here. We just have to create a server, no? I think he doesn't want handlers. I don't. Let's make a normal handler. Let's make this http dot listen and serve. Let's give the port. Okay. No, brother, I am actually fresh. I never did. I'm actually in my college right now, in my final year, and never did internship as such, but worked on product, real products. Actually, previous my I worked with one of the like senior engineers. He made it like a startup kind of thing. So actually, the backend is in the Java itself. So I learned Java a little bit on that, and we built something. So not as such like office environment. I never had that like before, but yeah, I have an offer in my hand, so I have a little bit of time, so I'm practicing the backend part. So soon gonna be like in the company. Yeah. And what about you, brother? Like, where are you from and what do you do? Oh, okay, okay, okay. Punk handler. We have http dot response writer. Okay, good to go. And we have a pointer of a request. I will see this more. Why this is pointer? Because I don't want any doubt. Let's make a okay. Server is running on port 8080. Okay, good, good shit, good shit, good shit. What he's saying, I am also in college, second year, VIT Valor. Oh, nice, man. Nice, nice. You have plenty of time. Good one, good one. Nice, nice. Okay, what we have now? Let's normally do 70. Uh, uh, F print ln w, because we are responding what we have like what the client has requested to us. So client, we are now as such, but in the real production, let's say someone using your like site or something, they will gonna request you're gonna respond in different way in a JSON format. But right now I guess we are learning, so we have to follow the basics. Okay. uh, Welcome to my backend journey. That's it, I guess. Let's try it. uh Goal 1, day 11, challenge 1. Let's wait. Okay. Wait, wait. Hmm. Okay. Okay, it works, but when I'm changing the route, this should not. Why it is still welcome to the package? Okay. Is there any mistake I have done? Okay, let me see what is going on here. What he's saying, let me congratulate you and offer. Oh, समझा नहीं भाई मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. Let me congratulate you. Offer. Okay. जो भी है सही है, I guess. Thank you, bye. Okay. Okay. So what is the problem right now here? I have like the default route, which should only give me this one, but I'm changing the route. Still, I'm having the same thing. What? What is this, bro? Hmm. Interesting. Hmm. Wait. If I do, what should I do? Hmm. Wow. This is interesting, yeah. Holy cap, bro. Let me do one thing actually. Wait a second. Let me change it to test, and let's do it one more time. Okay, so if I go to default, oh now, oh wait, what is this? This is interesting. This is kind of interesting here. Not sure why. Uh, so right now I did a test and the default route giving me 404, which is good. Let's say if I go to test one more time, so it's working as normal right now. But when I'm changing this to normal route like this, there is something different is going on. Bro, what? Like, this is good, but then when I do this, it's still coming out to be good. Damn, bro. Huh? Holy cap, bro. I'm still missing something out. But this is basics, I guess, so it's good, I guess. Nothing much. Okay, we will see that later. So let me make my notes. Why default route can map all other route for the response? Is this problem or I'm missing something? I have to see that. I have to see that. Okay. Let's move ahead with the challenge. Main.go. So far so good. Multiple routes, so now I have to make multiple routes. Okay, sure, we're gonna do that. Let's make package main. Func main. Okay, what's the next challenge? We have to create multiple routes. Okay, let's make http dot handle func. First of all, this is for the home. Let's make it home handler. Let's make for the about handle func. Oh wait, it's all about part, about handler. I mean, one thing is very clear about Go, like it's really clean, when I'm working here. I have tried lots of languages, but doing backend in this is really smooth. Personal choice, to be honest. So yeah. Uh, contact http dot handle func. Now I have a contact handler. Seems good. Let's make it talent. So is running on port 8080, and let's listen the server. Actually, I guess the nil is like a default thing. I have also seen a code base where you can create your own mux and pass the mux here. But if you pass the nil, it will like taken as a like default mux, I guess. So this is good, I guess. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, so let's make functions. Handler, response writer, request, empty dot print ln. Come to home page. About handlers, response writer, request, okay, so fmt dot as print ln about page. Okay, contact handler, response writer, fmt fprintf or ln w. Welcome to contact page. Okay, I guess it's done. Let's run this. Okay, we have run this. Let's try that. What? Welcome to home page. Let's go to about. Let's go to contact. Okay, it's working fine. Okay, it's good. Let's close this one and good. Let's move on. Okay. Go package mean func mean. Let's make a challenge 3, which is method checking. Sure, we can do that. Just with like we from the request body we can take that in, or not from the body but request, because these things not stored in the body, they are stored in the header part. So yeah. Wait, let's do here. So we just let's make a one. two requests. Let's make two requests, and one for the get, and let's do one for the post, I would say. But let's see the HTTP dot handle func. Uh, let's make home handler. What we have. Okay, let's say here first of all, server is running on port 8080. It's good. Okay, now let's listen to the server. We're gonna listen until we get the port. So if this is not able to like get the port, this should get like crashed, but we are not like handling right now. But yeah, let's go properly. Actually, we have to like we should do like this, because there might be an error while doing this kind of thing, but never mind. Let's go normally. Okay, so function home handler http dot response writer http dot request and we have to print the like header method here. So fmt, I'm gonna print it println get request. Okay, okay, okay. R dot body, R dot method. Okay, you just have to write request. This should work. And whatever you want to like print in the screen for the like for the client home page, like that. I hope it's good. Okay, if you want to like do the post, we will use postman for that for sure. Right now let's do the get request. Here we get the get. Actually, I have postman, I guess. Let's try to do the post method here. You can see we have hit the post. You have lots of things. You can use the patch, whatever you want to do. You can see. Oh, it's working. Okay. So we have done this. Okay, now it's important. So sometimes we can pass some information in the query. Generally, you can see this kind of thing in the form part, most. Yeah. Okay, he has given me the code also. Never mind. Okay, from the request method, from the request, I have to take the URL and the query and get the particular query you are trying to like do there. So very clean, you can see the Go has really clean way to write this. From the request, get the URL, take the query, what you want to like take it, like name. You can take name and do whatever you want with that. Okay, challenge 4. Package main, function main. Okay. And I just have to take it. Mm, okay, let's again make that basic server. Handle func home handler fmt println server is running on 8080. Now let's do http.listen and serve. Pass the this. There should be nil. Function home handler http dot response writer request. Okay, so I'm thinking someone has passed something from the query. How I'm supposed to take it? Let's say name is r dot url, either the URI being requested or URI being accessed. Okay, first server request the URL is passed from the URI, so must request from the okay. Okay, so we're gonna take it dot the query passes raw query and return the corresponding values. Okay, sure. And I want to take get the first value. Okay, there is no value associated with the key. Get will return the empty string, and to access multiple values use map directly. Oh sure. So let's say one more. I want to access get. After that you can do fmt dot fprintln w hello, the name you want to like say. So it's dynamic now. Whatever you like put here, the page will show like hello, that particular thing you will write here. So hope this will work. Let's use Postman itself. I will pass the name. You can see actually the query has some key and some value, so I'm passing. I don't have to like write a string like this. You can pass normally. So I do test. I have a get. When I do this, it will say hello test. I would say Aman. It will gonna say hello Aman. So yeah, something like that. Okay, it's good. Taking the query from the name. Is there any other methods? Dot get has will check this. Okay, add will add the value and the okay, delete will delete, set will and code value to URL. Okay, let's do only this one for now. Good one. Let's do this one. Challenge 5 main.co. Package main, function main. Okay. This is the last challenge we do always. We have to create a route and which will gonna return this particular thing. Okay. Let's http dot handle function. So fmt dot not fmt http dot listen and serve. Okay, nil handler request. Okay. Okay, so I have to create a user one, my bad. Okay. And this will return this. So it is very easy, I guess. I can utilize the query parameter one like challenge we have did before. This one. We can utilize this only. What we can do here, like in the query itself, we can pass like this. Because we can do like and to like generate more keys. I can say h. Wait, what? How to actually add new query? Oh, by and. Okay, not and. Okay, name, age will be 21. So let's make it Aman. And we can easily get these keys from the query parameter function we have like already get to know about it, which is this one, which is like r dot url and query and get some keys out of it. So for the multiple one we have to see. So let's sing I'm in this particular route and I have to like take these two out of it, name and the age one. Let's see the name. Oh, we can use multiple variables to like get it. R dot url dot query dot get. Let's say for here its name. For the age one, r dot url dot query dot get age. And now we can return the user like this. Fmt dot fprintln. What we can do, user is name and okay, we have to pass w first and after that this H H. I think this will work. This should work. If challenge 4, not 4. If 5. Let's see. So the server is running. Let's try this. Whoa, 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 whoa. What? Page not found. Let me see what happens here. Oh, oh, got it, got it. There is mistyping here. Yes, sir. We have done the challenge too. Okay. Now what we have, let's see. Now it's time to write the notes. Let's go. Then I will see multiple things I have doubts on. Like first of all, like the proper, we will go to the internals of these kind of thing, how they actually working behind it, because this is something like a methods only and wrappers. So what they actually doing in like the should they, so we will see actually. I have some doubts on that. So day 11 dot. Let's close this one. Okay. Up there. Like मोबाइल से मैंने गूगल खोला, गूगल को मैंने गूगल फिश सर्वर के पास किया, सर्वर ने गूगल के पास रिस्पॉन्स किया. आई डिड रिक्वेस्ट टू द गूगल, गूगल ने सर्वर, सर्वर रिस्पॉन्स टू द गूगल and Google responds to me. Something like that, I guess. This cycle always go like this. Wait. In this function, actually, whatever route has requested, okay, so what handler function do, like let's say you have clicked on like some link, so you have requested something for that. So now it would that link in the background do some request response kind of thing by himself and give us a response back, as a client. We are client and that is server for us. So handler function will like see, okay, what are the headers it has, what is the like what user is clicking on this link with what kind of response he want the information, or he want to update something or something else, like he has a permission or not, is it valid permission? So everything has been like done inside this handler kind of functions. So that is actually it for, that's right, I guess, whatever route we have, permission. Headers. Functions only. So on the response writer is what we send back to client, is what we get from the client. Simple as fuck. I will not complicate it. Okay, this is cool question. This is cool question. Wait a second. Why backend server listen to ports? Okay, server need to be like have some. Oh, very interesting. Wait. So ports क्या होते हैं हमारे? Ports are like some unique, like we have multiple ports. So एक जगह तो चाहिए ना मेमोरी जहाँ पे सर्वर चले. Hmm. What is the best answer for this? Very simple, I would say. मतलब सर्वर को एक अपना रूम चाहिए ना जहाँ पे चले वो. सो हमारे पीसी में मल्टीपल पोर्ट्स होते हैं, मल्टीपल फंक्शनैलिटीज़, लाइक कोई हमारा खुद का लाइक नेटवर्क्स के लिए कुछ पोर्ट्स होंगे, कुछ अलग पोर्ट्स होंगे, सब कुछ पोर्ट्स बढ़ जाते हैं एक्चुअली हमारे पास. So we can utilize these ports. The server need to be like listen these ports, to run. Actually, it's like renting out something, a house to temporary house, I guess. Let me see actually what is the best answer for this. या सो नेटवर्क ट्रैफिक में जो भी, या समझ रहा हूँ मैं, वही है इसका मतलब. नेटवर्क हैज सम ट्रैफिक, सो उन सबको डाटा को करेक्ट रखना, रनिंग द मल्टीपल सर्विसेज. मतलब एक आइडेंटिटी होनी चाहिए जहाँ पे तुम चीज़ों को हैंडल कर पाओ, इनकम ट्रैफिक को ले पाओ एंड ऑल दो स्टफ. ओके, गुड शिट. गुड स्टफ. ओके. Okay, we have done that. Okay. Let's go more deeper, in this. Let me get this one. Let's see this. Okay, so net under the hood use TCP sockets. Okay. Okay, it uses lots of things. Flow of request, what happened internally when you run. So port binding होती है यहाँ पे. Okay. Go open a TCP sockets on this port using this not listen. Except the loop starts. Oh, I see, I see. So it's like a pipeline we open, when we listen to this kind of thing. So एक pipeline हमारी generate हो चुकी है. अब कोई भी यहाँ पे request करेगा या कुछ भी करेगा, so वो जैसे ही इस pipe पे hit करेगा उस particular जगह पे, so we can take that. So I guess एक continuous loop की तरह चलता है ये. Okay. New connection go routines. Each connection handle in separate go routines. Oh, I see, I see. So go routines are lightweight threads, which are not a part of OS threads. So yeah, that's why Go server scale easily. I see that. So for every connection I do, Go make separate Go routine for that. Oh wow. So what if those connection have some like how they, okay, I'm not gonna go much deeper on that. Okay. Go read raw TCP data passed into like okay. Go reads raw TCP data. Okay, multiplexer. Server mux matches. Write the response buffer. I see that. Go convert it into HTTP response format. Each request runs in coroutine, no manual threading needed. Lightweight, much cheaper than OS threads. I see that. Respond community Aadhaar method get post dual path my profile headers, which are all the headers. The request body like this. It's okay. Okay, so this is represent the incoming request what I have, and this always gonna represent this. We have what we have to like send as a response. So we can say like hello, and we can set the header also like what we are sending. So we are sending JSON here, so we can the content type, the application JSON, and we can send the like status code to which is 200 for like okay. What is 200 for? Okay, servers. Okay, I guess it's successful. Then we have because you passed nil, Go uses default server mux internally. Okay, I see that. Instead I have like one more syntax. I can create my own server mux and pass it here. Really do. Register route in a map. Okay. It wraps your function into an HTTP handler. I see that. Connection handling deep into that. Okay. Okay, so that's why they are fast. So they use concurrency Go routines for each request, minimal allocations, built-in HTTP, event loop, blocking hybrid model. I know middlewares. We will, I guess, get to know about it more. JSON APIs. I see that. So Go doesn't know the JSON, so we have to like convert into Go structs. When we are done with that, we have to like send it to same as JSON. So we're gonna do that also, like serialization and deserialization. Contexts. These are very important part of the Go. Context, like timeouts, cancellation request, scope data, custom server config. Yeah. Address, read timeout, write timeout. There is a TCP server and we have a HTTP parser then router, then middleware chain, then handler, this, right? Okay. I've said it, like we have to always handle the error. Okay, what else we can do now? Okay. Copy TCP server, so okay. The request is large and the complex route. Okay. Need to be shared efficiently without copying. Okay. Okay. Some part are mutable, lazily read like body. Okay. The main reason is size and performance. So it's a very big struct heading. Oh wow, I see that now. So request is a very large struct which having the headers URL struct body. So instead of copying it after and after, so we can use the pointers. So there is no copy in that, I guess. Address URL body context method. So it's only the 8-byte pointers passed, no copy efficiently for the concurrency. If it were passed like it, each function would copy. This would propagate. What could happen? Person pointer. Huge copy, body string confusion. I see that. I see. I see. So we don't have we won't copies. So it's saying we have methods. We have methods and all those stuff. Okay. Okay, I guess I have done the basic HTTP servers, and we get to know about lots of things here. What is that and how it actually working? So it's like I have found, I click to some link, it will go to the server actually and get to here. So we have requested something, we get some we get some response out of it. So this loop actually uses everywhere in the HTTP because This is the very basic protocol which every like in the internet everyone uses it. uh, and server protocols, okay. But Go has something different in between. Go has very smart things, for every request what is doing, like we getting some requests out there, so Go is spawning some like Go routines out there for each and everything. So these are very light, okay. So these are really fast to work on. Oh, I see that right now. And first of all, it will make a pipeline, then each connections get the coroutines, and it will pass the data what you have having the request. It uses the servo mux to like map it properly with your handlers, and then the function will call, and the response will be right. We have to like write the response to the response buffer, and Go will convert it into like actual format which is required for the HTTP. Then these headers and body will send over to the TCP, and things will start again as such. Okay. Okay. Hmm, I'm good to go, I guess. I will update my readme. Let me use my perplexity to update it. We will meet tomorrow. Tomorrow we will do the JSON handlings and the proper. We will send the proper structured data. What actually like we do in the real life, not like this we are doing right now, just printing out things. So let me see. It's 20%. Okay, let's push the changes, and we are done. Eh? Okay, there is some confusion here and there. Git push. Okay, things should be pushed. Okay, tomorrow we will go like more deeper on the things, how things are working out and why, where it can breaks up and how we can solve it. So today we did good stuff. Be able to like get to know about like what is servers, how to make it, what are ports, why do we need ports and all those stuff. So yeah. Okay, thank you so much, bro, or anyone to here. Goodbye. Let me end.